New this year for Ryobi, we've launched another innovative technology, 36-volt lithium fusion. This has combined 1+ batteries to create 36-volt power. How we did it is we have two 18-volt 4-amp-hour batteries to drive a 36-volt motor. When combined, you can cut more than 550 square meters. This allows customers to be part of the OnePlus family, which has more than 35 tools. The OnePlus battery platforms are most successful, and there's more than 20 million batteries in circulation today. Just another example of Ryobi innovation with a clever design.